Hi friends, today we are making peas pulav. Okay, I'll just tell you the ingredients. You need 3 to 4 tablespoons of ghee, some 1 tablespoon of cumin, 2 brown cardamom, 2 cinnamon sticks, 5 cloves, around 15 black pepper, some cashews as you like. We need chopped ginger, green chilies, and you need to soak the rice. Maybe this is like basmati rice. You need to soak for about 20 minutes. You need to get the green peas, around a bowl, salt, garam masala, and you need 1 lime, which we will squeeze and add at the end actually. Okay, first we will add 3 to 4 tablespoons of ghee. Okay, once when it is hot, add the cumin. Now you need to add the brown cardamom. You need to peel it and add it. It gives very good flavor to the pulao. Okay, now you add the cinnamon sticks and also the cloves and the black pepper. Okay, now you saute it in low flame. Now you add the ginger and the green chilies. Now you add the cashews into it. This is optional, but it gives a very good taste to the pulao. Now you add the green peas into it. Now you need to add the rice. The rice which was kept aside, which is soaked for about 20 minutes. Now add sufficient water. Stir it well. After this, you need to add the salt. Add the salt. Now add a half teaspoon garam masala. Now add the lime juice. So like you need to take 1 lemon and add the juice directly into it. This gives a very nice taste to the pulao. Now our mix is set. You need to pressure cook it now. And after a couple of whistles, your pulao is ready.